Hello there and welcome to the new Pandas tips and tricks tutorial where I will show you how you can process a data like this into a numeric data, and this is from my book 100 Python Pandas tips and tricks where I have documented similar techniques on a different types of problems that we encounter on a day-to-day basis. So if you are interested in that, you can get it from the link from the description to buy the book. Alright, so first of all, what I have done is imported the pandas as PD, and then we are basically creating this series. So it's an example that I'm creating it for you, and you may have the data frame where you are finding the similar data set, because if it has dollar or any other sign for the currency, then it is mostly, it will going to be treated like the string value. Suppose if we have this, then how we can convert it into a numeric series. So if you see, it is right now as the type object, but we want it to be processed like a numeric object. So for that, I will going to use one statement, which is using the regex, and what it basically is saying that you need to replace all those values which are non-numeric with a simple space. That means they will be completely escaped. So regex equals to true. That means because we are specifying the regex parameter. So this will be helpful in scenarios like those where you want to convert the numbers or the strings which is earlier represented as numbers, and you can see it by the data type object, into a proper numeric value. Well, to do that, what I'll do is I will just shift enter, and if I press the df again, you will see that now it is converted into a float object, which is a numeric object. So this way, now you can do the processing, or you can do the summation, you can find the average, things like those, with the help of the various functions of the pandas or the numpy. So with that, that's a very quick tip and trick I wanted to show you, and similar scenarios or the different scenarios on the similar nature is present within my book, where I have covered 100 different tips and tricks. So if you are interested, link is present in the description.